By the end of this video, you will be able to know fruits. Fruits. Apple. Apple. Orange. Orange. Plum. Plum. Mango. Mango. Lime. Lime. Lemon. Lemon. Kiwi. Kiwi. Blackberry. Blackberry. Honeydew melon. Honeydew melon. Strawberry. Strawberry. Watermelon. Watermelon. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Guava. Guava. Bananas. Bananas. Peach. Peach. Grapefruit. Grapefruit. Pineapple. Pineapple. Pear. Pear. Grapes. Grapes. Blueberries. Blueberries. Cherries. Cherries. Now it's time for activities. Name the fruits below. You can pause the video and guess the right answer. Blueberries. Blueberries. Pineapple. Pineapple. The third, they are called cherries. Cherries. What's this? It's a pear. It's a pear. The second picture, they are grapes. They are grapes. Next one, what's this? It's a pomegranate. It's a pomegranate. So what's this? It's watermelon. Watermelon. What are these? In the next picture, they are bananas. They are bananas. Next, what's this? It's a peach. It's a peach. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the coming videos. Goodbye.